Hello guys, and welcome back to Jenny's crypto class. In this video we are going to look at Monadscore Airdrop, Monadscore connection issue resolved, how you can actually start mining this Monad airdrop. If you can see, once you log in, I'm using Bitget wallet. Once you log in, you will see Connect wallet. At this point, this particular Connect wallet will redirect you and you may not be able to start your node. How are you going to? You need to put your phone on desktop mode. And how are you going to keep it on desktop mode? You tap on this three line here at the top right, tap on it. You can see desktop mode. Look at desktop mode, tap on it. So you need to, it's loading, just give it time. You need to put it on desktop mode so that you can easily. So right now my phone is now on desktop mode. If I zoom it for you guys to see very well, you can now see that my wallet is already connected, but before it was showing connect wallet. So all you need to do is to click on sign wallet and continue. You can see sign wallet. You are going to sign your wallet. Click on signature. Then you put your passcode or whatever so that you can sign in and start running immediately. Signature info. You're going to wait for it. Can you see that it is loading? If you look at it, you can see getting is loading. So this is the app. So right now my phone is on desktop mode. If you zoom it, you can now see run node. Tap on run node. Then you need to sign the signature. Put your password again. It's checking. Can you see now it's checking? Now mining activated. Can you see my next mining is in 11 hours. I'm going to come back here and mine again. And another thing is that you must meet the eligibility criteria. One of the eligibility criteria is that you must run the node for over 50 times so that you can be eligible for this airdrop. And another thing, you need to be on a daily streak. Make sure you're on a daily streak. It will help you to accumulate more donor points. So what we are going to do right now is to click on task. Look at task session right here. It's a bit fat because my phone is on desktop mode. So you can see daily check-in. You need to click on check-in and you are going to get 2,500 Monad. I have started this one, daily checking. Another thing here is there is an online task. Other tasks is here to follow Monad on X, do the task, and to join their Discord. All these things is what you can do and you accumulate more points before the listing. And we have on-chain tasks, 1 million node NFTs. This one has ended. If you participated on it, you will be able to see it. So by putting your phone on your desktop site, we enable you to have access to your Monadscore website, which is done on this Bitget wallet, or you can use Trust wallet, any Web3 wallet, but it's faster to use on Bitget wallet. So start mining this project immediately. Link in the video description if you have not started. In the video description, start mining the other airdrop right now. This airdrop is going to do well. Do not joke with it. Important information: I'm currently buying and selling USDT, TOS, Solana plus all gas fees. If you want to do any business with me, reach out to me on my WhatsApp. Send me message. I'm the admin, then I will reply you. And another way to earn more donor points is to click on your referrals. Invite your families and friends and be able to earn more points. Once you click it, you can now see your referral link. Copy it and share it with your friends. So your friends must be active so that you can earn this reward. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys and see you guys in my next video.